Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to open a new Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to be needing the Cash App application. So if you're already logged in, you can go ahead and log out normally by clicking your profile icon in the upper right corner, and after that you can just log in from your account and log out whenever you want. So you can log out, or what you can also do guys is just uninstall the application. If you want to create a new account, you can go ahead and deinstall the application, delete it from your phone, and then we can go ahead and open up our app store and download it again. So go to the search bar, search for Cash App. From then you can go ahead and download it and install it to your mobile phone again, and once you do so, you're going to be logged out, and now we can go ahead and create a new account. So guys, you're going to be greeted by this page right here where you can enter in your phone or email that you want to use for creating your account. So what you want to do is enter in a new phone number that you want to use for creating an account, or a new email to create a new account, and after you proceed with the steps like creating your previous account that you already did, you can just click the next button at the bottom of the page and to input all of your info such as your name and so on, and then you can finish with the account creation, and then you're ready to get started. So once you have created your account, you'll be opened up this main page right here where you can take a look at your balance, your savings, and all the other settings that you have, and this is how you go ahead and open up a new account that you can use. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.